Hello world, hi everybody. I'm just making a little quick video. I wanted to go live and just kind of show you where we are. We're on the Lanzarote workshop just off the coast of Africa, a little island owned by Spain. It's a fantastic place. You can see the guys down behind me here. I wanted to go live, but unfortunately I can't for various boring technical reasons. Mostly that I've forgotten the password, so I'm hoping I'll find it later and I can upload this. So I just want to share a little experience of what's going on, give you a little update. My beloved Fuji X-T1, I've done something really crazy. Yesterday we were shooting in a little village and I put it up on the top of the back of the minibus while we were loading bags in, and I managed to drive off with it on the roof and it has gone, it's disappeared. So I've lost a bunch of pictures. I'm hoping that someone will hand it into the police or something, who knows. But meanwhile, I just wanted to show you this place which we visit. As you can see, we got water, we got volcanoes going on behind me there. And the sky, we've just been up in those volcanoes trying to shoot sunrise. We had a little bit of a break in the clouds. We had some really interesting skies, so it should be pretty good, I hope. But yeah, let's just turn the camera around and here we are. I'm going to climb down here. This is Los Hervidores. These huge, there's some caves down here where the sea comes crashing in. Here we go. It makes a great shot. We've got Slava in the corner of the picture here. Hey Slava, give the guys a wave. Hey. You're on YouTube, man. And gents, hey. You can see just like kind of, I'm sorry, I don't want to get in your shot. Here we go, look, we've got Rudy here. Hey Rudy. But you can see what a great shot that makes, you know, with the waves coming into those caves. And also when you shoot wide from a little further back, over here you've got these rocks, and as you get waves come up in this area here, watch down there, you get this runoff. There goes some just there, and if you time the shot just right, you get some really nice runoff going on down there. Let's have a look, see how the guys are doing. I'm going to sneak a little look over Jens's shoulder. You can see what he's shooting. Jens, I'm coming in close, buddy. There we go, you can see Jens' camera there and what he's shooting. Are you using a big stopper or anything?
64.
You're using a 64 ND.
Yeah, it's a little stopper.
A little stopper.
The big stopper is too long. You're going about 30 seconds, 40 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, and I can see you've got a 1.5 second exposure going on there.
It's just if the wave crashes so that you can get some movement.
Yeah.
But not too
nice. Very nice. Let's go and have a quick look, see what anyone else is doing. It is a cool little spot. We're only stopping here for a while because we've been out since 5:15 this morning and we want to go get some breakfast. Here's Mr. David Poxon. Hello, Mr. David Poxon.
We went to Iceland.
You better say it again. I don't know if the microphone picks. Say it to me. Come on. Hang on. We'll turn you around. Yes, Mr. Poxon.
We went to Iceland.
This man's an imbecile. You alright, mate?
Yes, that's down 30-second exposure.
You're running a 30-second exposure?
30-second, big stopper, nice and creamy. ND filter on.
Let's have a look over you. Hang on, I'm going to shoot over your shoulder. We can see what you're up to. Let's have a little sneak in here.
Your eyes come down.
I don't know if anyone can see. Oh yeah, look, we've got some fuzzy kind of movement going on with the waves. 30 seconds might be a little bit long there, mightn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to drop it down to about 20 now.
Drop it down to 20 seconds.
On the Lee app it said 30, but I'm going to drop it down to 20 because it's a little bit low now. Oh, that was 40, that one. 30 was dark.
But yeah,
30 was.
It's a good little spot.
30, look.
Let's have a look. Hang on. Dave, move your head the other side, mate. That's all right. Come that way. I'll go over that shoulder and then people can see the shot better. Whoop. There we go. Lots of movement we got going on there. If you're a fan of movement, this is a good place to do it, and I particularly like it when you get run off over there, as I mentioned. So here we are. How are you, James?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Hang on, let's get this microphone out of my... I hit it. You all right, James?
Yeah, yep, great, thanks. This is quite difficult here. There's rocks. You've got to find the right spot if you want and have the right lens.
Yeah.
As you say, wide angle to get everything from the... and the volcano in the background.
Yeah.
I want to put a big filter on, a
Big
stopper.
stopper or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Have you got a polarizer?
Yes.
Pop a polarizer on. That'll lose you 2 stops,
Right. Okay.
and then you should be able to get that shutter speed down a bit. Quarter of a second should be plenty here.
Okay, I'll do that now then.
Mike Browne in teacher mode, gents. Hey, look. How you doing up there, Desi? Very good. Awesome. So there you go, guys. Just a little taste of what we're getting up to this morning. Yeah, pretty cool. Catch you later, I guess. I'm going to turn the camera around for a moment and just sort of give you a little spin round from a higher angle. And there you have it, the boys. Take care, guys. We'll catch you next time.